Hello, it's Brittney here, and I thought today I wanted to share a little tapping to get some stuck energy out of your body to move forward today. So if you have something that you need to check off your list and you are dreading it, I think this little tapping could make it a lot easier. So I started doing this even in the car, which probably I shouldn't do, when there were a list of things at work and I'm like, ugh, I'm dreading doing that. I don't want to do that. That looks really hard. I would just start tapping about how I feel. So remember, if any of you haven't tapped out there, we always say the negative first and then we go to the positive. So I'm just going to lead you through this tapping. Just follow me, monkey see, monkey do, and see if this helps you. So the first thing I want you to do is kind of close your eyes and think about maybe a list that you have or something that you have to do that you've been putting off and you are dreading it. And you really feel this in your body. So maybe it's your stomach, your head, your chest, your heart. So really tune into that. And if I say any words that don't resonate with you, you just change them, right? Also, another little tool is saying them out loud is more powerful. And you can reuse this over and over again. So let's jump right in. Okay, so let's just start at the eyebrow. Ugh. Side of the eye. I don't want to do that thing. Under the eye. And I really feel this in my body. So say where you feel it, in your stomach, your heart, under the nose. I've been dreading this thing. Chin. It feels really hard to do these things. Collarbone. And I've actually been procrastinating. Under the arm. It doesn't seem very fun to do these things. Top of the head. So maybe I'll go do other things so that I don't really have to do that thing. Eyebrow. I'm really good at filling up my time. Side of the eye. And being in avoidance. Under the eye. This thing seems really hard. Under the nose. This list seems really hard. Chin. Maybe I don't want to do it. Collarbone. Maybe I think someone else should do it for me. Under the arm. It just feels so dreadful. Top of the head. So heavy in my body. I really don't want to do that thing. Okay, take a deep breath. So hopefully that cleared out some energy, right? Some stagnant energy about that thing that you've been dreading. If it went down significantly, we can start going into the good. If you need to do one more round of that, just say what you feel and tap through the points. So right now, I don't know, I'm feeling more confident, more excited to go to work, not so worried about doing that thing. It feels like, it's just a thing. I'm just gonna check that off my list. But let's make it even easier to do. Okay, so follow me, monkey say, monkey do. Eyebrow, even though I don't wanna do that thing. Side of the eye, it doesn't look so bad anymore. Under the eye, and now when I think of it, it doesn't even feel that hard. Under the nose, I mean, I'm still not really excited about doing it. Chin, but there's a part of me that's kind of excited to get that thing off my list. Collarbone, because it's actually been weighing on me a lot. Under the arm, I'm actually getting a little excited to scratch that off my list. Top of the head, and it might even be easier than I thought. Eyebrow, I'm actually coming up with easy ideas on how this could go for me. Side of the eye. And I'm getting excited to get this thing off my checklist. Under the eye. And my energy is reflowing inside of me. Under the nose. So that I could just get this done. chin so I can move forward in my life and get to do more fun things, feeling more free. Collarbone. And I'm actually really excited to get this done. And I think it's going to be easier than I ever thought. Okay, take a deep breath. So now you can kind of think about that thing that you really didn't want to do and feel how it feels in your body now. Might feel a little simpler. So these are some of the techniques that I use when we're going to do our 21-day group for money and women. Tapping can be an excellent way to move forward if you are passionate about moving towards a goal, but you feel so stuck. You've been taking all this time, all this energy, ruminating, but not moving forward. So if you are excited about moving forward, taking that next step to your goal, you're tired of wasting time, and you want to be in a strong community where they support you to move forward, make sure to join our women's group, our workshop that starts next Wednesday. On the 15th. So I'm so excited. We have a few spots left, but if you can't join us and this is not really for you, use the tapping as much as you want to make your life easier, to get those checklist things done off your list and get to move to more fun things where your body's energy gets to more be creative. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you get that thing checked off your list quicker than you ever thought and easier than you ever thought. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.